My first stealth battler unboxing, striker drone, and how this works. It goes from being one to getting knocked up, and then split into two. Open. And it's just here it goes. So here's the top half. It's just the top of striker and metal thing here with tip. I'm not sure what to classify the tip. Like maybe semi-defense. And the bottom half. And it just looks like this. So this is just a normal flat. Not exactly sure how to put this together. Let's just okay, I'm just gonna look at the instruction thing. Okay, to set weapon. Place upper section onto lower section, holding, place push, turn upper half clockwise until the block turns blue. Onto lower section. And holding in place, push and turn upper half clockwise. Until the block turns blue. Not exactly sure I did it. Record blue, like blue record it. Here's blue launcher, light launcher. And little, so we can just go into here, all cooking and stuff. Loaded that up. Just getting steady on here. What stealth battler do you want me to get next? Just leave it in the comments below. I think it's on. There it is. Let's see if I can. Something on that way. So it does kind of move like it's a flat. Kind of cool. Just see how the top half goes. The top half is more of an offensive thing, which kind of sets the thing like coach up, one fast and slow. So, it's all Blade Orion out.